How to use symbol library in TIA portal for HMI. One of the important things you should know, you don't have this option on basic HMI. So one of the difference between comfort and basic and unify, this is this little guy, symbol library. You can put it here. When you right click on properties, you can choose lots of graphic. For example, it's a PLC, for example, it's a symbol of PLC. You can small it, make it bigger, but you should activate this fixed aspect ratio. Okay, now it's beautiful. And as you can see, we have lots of things here. You can choose. Okay, and most of the things, they are about coloring. Okay, for example, you select one of them. I select this. Let me show you some trick. Go to appearance and you have four kind of fill type. Okay, I just choose shaded, and you can choose a color for that. For example, this one, and then go to flashing and choose a color for your flashing. Put it on, for example, yellow. Go to animation, and here at animation, and say, okay, when this tag turns to 1, just start to flashing. Let me show you. You can use this option and change your color where something happened. For example, this is my machine, and when it started to working, and operator must know about it, that it's working. For example, I'll put 1 here. As you can see, it's flashing. You can use this option by shaded. Have a good time and like the video.